Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're going to work on this spark plug. I got this out of AutoZone. This is dual last ignition wires. The problem with this is the stupid opossum. You chew up one of the wire right here, the spark plug wire. You see it's broken. So it was making a mess over here. As you can see all those leaves. So I was kind of pretty pissed off. So anyway, we're gonna pop this for the 10 millimeter screws. One over here, one over there. So there are 4 of them. And then spark plugs are in there. Else I cannot get into it. So the screw type looks like this. I'm gonna pop it up and then reveal all those spark plugs. Gonna make sure which one it is. So it'll be this one right here. Which is the second one. And make sure you match the same size. By the way, this one's $34.99 from AutoZone. So with tax and everything, it's about $37.70 something cents. So make sure you find the correct size. Kind of windy. Oh shit today. So get this out there. So be gonna check on the length of the wire. So this is the first, second, third. Wait. So first, second, third, and fourth. So I need this one. So this is the first that goes here. Second, third, and fourth. Nope. First, second, third, fourth. So we could take this out just by pulling it out. Okay. There's that one right there. And pull out this second wire. This one right here. I'm gonna plug this one in. Usually plug in straight. It's not going in right. So yeah, make sure. Wow, it looks kind of shorter. Try one more time. I don't know, it's not sitting right. Gotta go back there and change it. Well, anyway, that's how you change it. I gotta go back to AutoZone to get my the correct one.